C# inheritance. What is C# inheritance? Inheritance is an object-oriented concept where a class, child, derived, acquires the properties and behaviors of another class, parent, base, enabling code reuse and hierarchy. How to declare and use inheritance. Inheritance is declared using in C#, where a derived class inherits from a base class, and the derived class can use or override the base class members. I have given you an example where apple is a derived class that inherits from the fruit base class. How many types of inheritance are there? There are 5 types of inheritance. Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance. What is single inheritance? In single inheritance, a single derived class inherits from only a single base class. In the below diagram, fruit is the parent class that has a one-to-one relationship with the orange derived class. So fruit is a superclass, and orange is a subclass. What is multi-level inheritance? In multi-level inheritance, a derived class inherits from a base class, and then this base class also acts as a derived class which inherits from another base class. In the below diagram, blood orange is a derived class that is inherited from oranges, derived class, and then oranges, derived class, is inherited from fruit, base class. What is hierarchical inheritance? In hierarchical inheritance, multiple derived classes inherit from a single base class. In the diagram below, we have the fruit class, which is the base class, which is inherited by the mango and orange subclasses, derived classes. What is multiple inheritance? In multiple inheritance, a single derived class inherits from multiple base classes. C# doesn't support multiple inheritance. However, we can achieve multiple inheritance through interfaces. In the diagram below, vegetables and fruits are 2 subclasses of the food base class which have a many-to-many relationship with each other. What is hybrid inheritance? Hybrid inheritance is a combination of 2 or more types of inheritance. The combination of multi-level and hierarchical inheritance is an example of hybrid inheritance. What are the advantages of inheritance? Inheritance promotes the reuse of existing code. It helps in creating a clear and logical class hierarchy. Inheritance enables polymorphism. Common functionality can be defined in a base class and shared among derived classes, reducing redundancy. Changes in the base class automatically propagate to derived classes, simplifying maintenance and updates. What are the disadvantages of inheritance? Inheritance can create tight coupling between base and derived classes, making it harder to modify or extend the system without affecting other parts. Deep inheritance hierarchies can lead to complexity and make it difficult to track where functionality is defined, complicating debugging. Changes in the base class can inadvertently break derived classes if they rely on specific behaviors or implementations. What are the disadvantages of inheritance? Inheritance restricts flexibility in some scenarios, as a class can only inherit from one base class. C# does not support multiple inheritance. In some cases, using inheritance can introduce performance overhead due to additional method lookups and dynamic dispatch. Summary: in inheritance you can create a hierarchy of classes and reuse code, can make relationships between objects. Thank you for watching this C# inheritance tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more useful C# and .NET videos.